Let's do question 5b. So now question 5b, we are finding the length FG. We are finding the length FG. And if you check, this is the last question for question 5. This is last part of question 5, but we haven't used this point. EF is to FD is equal to 2:1. So sometimes you have to check that. Check the given information and see if you have used it or not. So we managed to get that EC is 12 units in question 5 what? In question 5A. EC, we got that EC is 12 units. Right, and then we have this ratio of EF to FD, which is 2:1. You see that? So we can find the length of EG and GC. We can find the length of EG and GC. What are we going to use to do that? Remember that a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide the other two sides proportionally. So it means still the ratio of EG to GC is still 2:1. Okay, so we can write here, let's write 2:1, but we're going to put what? Variables, because this is a ratio. This is a ratio, not the real length. Okay, let's do that. So we can say here 2A is to maybe 1A. Okay, right, 2A is to 1A. Let me just write. You can write 1, or even if you don't write it, is fine. Right, so now what is the length of EG? What is the length of EG? So we can say, how many parts do we have here? EC is composed of 3 parts. If you say 2A plus 1A, that is 3A, isn't it? So it means EG is going to be 2A over 3A of 12 units. 12 units there, of 12 units. So it means 3 over 2 of 12 is what? Which is equal to 8 units. Meaning that this is 8 units. Okay, therefore GC is going to be 4 units. But if you want, you can even say 1A over 3A times 12. Still, you get your 4 units. Okay, but even from saying 12 minus 8, you're going to see that this is what? This is 4 units. Oh, sorry. Right, and then we want to find FG. What can we use here to find FG? We can use what? The similarity of the triangles. Which triangles are similar here? If you look at these two triangles, let me show you. We have triangle EFG, triangle EFG, and triangle EDC. You see that? We have triangle EFG and triangle EDC. Are these two triangles similar? Okay. Remember that if two triangles are equiangular, then the corresponding sides are in proportion, and consequently the triangles are similar. So we have to prove that we have 3 corresponding what? Angles being equal. Let's just do that. So we have, let's say in triangle, let's start with the smaller one. In triangle EFG and triangle EDC. Right, we have this angle here, which is common for both triangles, the smaller triangle and the bigger one. So we have angle E being equal to angle E. Why? They're common, right? And then we have this angle here being equal to this angle here. So we can say angle EFG is equal to angle EDC. Why? They are corresponding angles, since FG is parallel to DC. Right, and then we have the third pair of angles. Okay, they still, you can see that they are corresponding angles, but usually we say this is angle EGF is equal to angle ECF. D. Why? We just say third angle of triangle, or third angle of triangle. Yes, okay, right. So now, therefore, this right here, we can conclude and say, therefore, triangle EFG is similar to triangle, right? E goes with E, so check here, E goes with E, so it's E, then F goes with D, then this is F now, goes with D there, and then G goes with C, so it's going to be G there with C there. You see that? Okay, right. So we prove that these two triangles are similar because it's angle, angle, angle. Therefore, from this we can conclude and say we do our eyebrows. We say EF over ED is equal to FG over DC. FG over DC is equal to E, the math now. This is E, my thing, EG. This is G. I thought it's C. Right, EG over EC. Okay, you see that? Right. And then what are we looking for? We're looking for FG. Do we have DC? Yes, we have DC, which is 9 units. Do we have EG? Yes, we have it is 8 units. Do we have EC? Yes, we have it is 12 units. And then we just use this part. Okay, we just use this part. Okay, so it means now FG over DC. DC is 9 units, is equal to, oh sorry, we said here I have to write sides in proportion. Sides in proportion. Don't forget that. Right, and then is equal to EG is what? 8. 8 units over EC, which is 12. Okay, therefore FG is equal to 8 over 12 times 9, making it what? 6 units. So it means FG is 6 units. Okay, done. That's what you're supposed to do there. So we'll meet when you do question 6.